No worries over nickels and dimes, or a 9 to 5 grind. I gotta get loose sometimes.
There we are. Good morning. Welcome to Corff Centre. My name is Paul. Thank you very much for coming out this morning. Before we start, everybody happy with the setup? Hand sanitizer from you on the door, and there's some wet wipes at the back. Please watch this. You got the trip. Remember, there's nothing for the next 2 weeks, so you've got to work a lot harder. Anybody got any injuries or ailments? No. Okay, that's fantastic. When you're ready, head in on your spine, shoulders back and down, chest open, get your core, knees are soft, hips are neutral. You're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Who likes no time? Good. Watch down. So we're starting low. Remember, you can keep it low. You don't have to go too high. 3, 2, step touch. Feel this, chest press. You just do that. Okay? It's up to you. Your level is your level. To your right. To your centre. Looks like you're starting to rain. To your left. Everybody okay? Back to the centre. 3, 2, side to side. So we're going to stretch the legs. 3, 2, and hold it here, ladies. Nice and relaxed. Hand on your muscle. Not good. 3, 4 spin skippy. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Hand on your muscle. Stretch the glute. 3, 2, 1. We're lunging back. Good, lunging back. 3, 2, 1. Push your heel to the floor. Give me a bicep curl. So you're stretching your calf muscle. Lean forward from the hips. Right angles. 3, 2, 1. Put your knee down to the floor. And you do a chest press. Relax. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3, 2. Say it again. Heel to the floor. Lean forwards. Shoulder press. 3, 2, 1. Drop that knee to the floor. Tricep kickbacks. So you're stretching your hip flexors here. Okay, streamline, front leg angles, hands across the anything. Right, then do some quad stretching, but we're going to do it in the form of a hamstring curl. Watch. 3, 2, 1. So watch. Hold. Hold. So all you're doing is holding it for a second. 2, 1. Hold. Hold. Do a static stretch again. As high up as you can lift it. If you can come that high, that's great. If you can come here, that's great. 3, 2, 1. Hamstrings. Down we go. Nice and relaxed. Try and keep your chest open. Engage your core. So we're going to warm up again. And then we're going to stretch the arms after. We're going to do a little bit of exercise. Any fighters in the room? Anybody fight? Yes? You fight, don't you? 3, 2. Okay, ladies, with me. 1. March it out. Okay. So what's going to happen is this. We're going to stand. You're going to stand like this, and then you're going to take 1 foot forward. I'm going to take my left foot forward because I am right-handed. Okay? If I am right-handed, I'm going to take my left foot forward. So you take your strongest, you take your weakest leg forward, your strongest leg is behind you. So I'm right-handed, left foot forward. Okay? Okay, we're ready to do a little boxing. Okay, I'm numbering the punches. So remember, as you look at me, you're looking at me mirror fashion. Front, back. So let's go. 1, front, front, front. 1, front, front. 1, 1, 2. Look what I do with my leg. Bang, bang, energy. Both arms always stay up. Let's do them together, ladies. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good work. Is everybody okay? We're working hard. 1, 2. Let's march it out. So we're going to do what we call a head up. I'm going to pretend I've got a box in my hand and a pint of beer. I'm going with my front hand first. Front, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Box, and it's going to my head. 3, 4, 4. Lift the elbow. 4, 4, 3, 4. Let's put it all together. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In, dive, tree, peg leg. Come on, let's keep moving. Come on. 5 and 6 are exactly the same, but the squat. 5. Let's go. 5. Front. 5. 5. Let's go into the ribs. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. 5, 6. Lovely. 6. Both together. 5, 6. Or you can go 5, 6. Up to you. 5, 6. From the top, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, dive, tree, headlock, pin, square. Okay. Woohoo! 2 more to do. 7, and 8. Uppercut under the chin. Watch. 7, 8. 8 together. 7, 8, 7. All together. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, dive, tree, headlock, pin, square, side, 3. Now, 9. Tell it out on the 9. Okay, let's go. Let's box. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 2, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 1, 2, 7, 9, 15, 16. Good work. Okay, rock. Hopefully a little bit warmer. Nowhere to run. Take your hand out to the side, lift your fingers. Keep your back straight, engage your core. Bring your arms up, elbows back. Is everybody alright? We're stretching our shoulders. Here, place your hand between your shoulders. Keep your head up. Hand on the muscles, not the joint. Breathe and relax. Put away. Stretch your back. And your chest. Okay, go on to that. That's the man. We'll do some squats, okay? Just practice our squats. Remember when we squat? Legs now hip apart, feet slightly turned out or forward, bums back. Breathe out and in. You can squat low, you can squat high. 30, 20. And this is what's going to happen. Make sure you deadlift your weights off the floor. If you don't want to use the weights, you don't have to. Okay, so all lighter and heavier weights. Please don't put your weights back at the end of the class. Please leave them at the side. So, remembering your posture, shoulders back and down, chest open, nice and relaxed, hips neutral, abs in. There's always a bend in my joint, I never lock them out. First 20 seconds, you're just going to do a side raise, a lateral raise to your right, okay? You control it on the way up, you control it on the way down. If you want to work harder, you go higher, and you can stop midway. That is an awful lot higher. Then the next 30 seconds, you're actually going to do both of them. And then the last 20 seconds, just your left side. Okay? No. Wrong. Take two. Right side, left side, then both sides. Okay? Because I want you to get warmed on that side as well. So 20 seconds right, 20 seconds left, 30 seconds left. So we're going to call it 20, 20, 30. Are we ready? Okay. So breathe in. When I say that magic word, right arm only, lateral raises. You choose which level. You don't have to have weights. 3, 2, let's go. Breathe out. Control. Harder. And stop there. There's a bend in my elbow. Halfway. All the way up. 1, 3, 2, other side. Out and in. Out and in. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Both sides. Let's go. Both sides. Out. In. Control. Out. Control. Feel tired. Look it down. One way harder. Squat. 10 seconds. 3, 2, rest. Good. 10. You're going to go to your right for 20. You're going to go to your left for 20. Then 30, right and left. Don't have to have the weights. 3, 2, let's go to your right only. 3, upright. So you're reaching, don't lean forwards, don't lean backwards. Out and in. 20 seconds to your right. Halfway. 3, 2, back to the centre. Your left. Remember you're reaching as far as you can. There's a bend in your knees and your back guide. You're not leaning forward. Halfway. 3, 2, both sides. Reach as far as you can, ladies. Breathe. Come on, reach. Side legs. 10 seconds, ladies. You're getting tired. Slow it down. Put your weights down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Okay, everybody okay? You don't have to have the weights on this next one, but you can do, and it will slow you down. So you're going to do 20 seconds. 20 seconds, and then if you want to make it easy, it's just that. 30 seconds harder, it's that, okay? 20, 20, 30, and you can have the weights in your hand if you want. It isn't easy though. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and strong, come on, breathe and work. With your weight it's harder. Your weight is harder. It slows you down slightly, especially if you've got a heavy weight. Breathe out and in. Small movement let's go. Easy, or if you want to go that bit harder, and of course, if you really want to go for it, it's there. Okay? Easier. 10 seconds, girls. Looking good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a little breather. Is everybody okay? Okay, ready? Next exercise. With or without? Left arm stays here, right arm punches. Then the right arm comes in, left arm punches, and then 30 seconds of both. Okay? You don't have to use the weights. Right 20, left 20, 30 on both. 3, 2, engage your core. Let's go, girls. Nice and nimble. Come on, breathe. Don't lock your elbow out. There's always a bend in your joint. You want to work harder? Jab, jab. So it's 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. With a 2. Come on. Punch, punch. Keep that one up. Keep that one up. Bang, bang. Twist that foot as well if you want to work harder. Twist. And obviously, if you want to put it down, put it down. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Nice and fast if you can. Nice and fast if you can. Come on. Watch this now. Woo. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle. All the way out. And you've got to bend the elbow. Come on. Move, 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 move. 10 seconds, girls. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, God, about that one. I see you all the time tonight. Good? Okay. What's your treatment? You want it? You can have it. It's just a lunge on your right leg. 20. Then on your right leg, on your left leg, 20. And then a little squatty go if you want. If not, it's a lunge back, okay? All the weights, you can actually tricep curl, tricep kick back, and then you can do both of them together, okay? So it's 20 on your right, 20 on your left, and then it's either a jump or it's a step back. Got that? 3, 2, let's go. Lunge, and if you want to bicep curl, you don't have to do the bicep curl, you don't have to have the weights in your hand. Nice and kick, remember? Streamline, engaging your core. Work, ladies, do the rest, take one. 3, 2, 1. Other leg, this time, tricep kick back. Forward, half back. Breathe out and in. Breathe out and in. 5 seconds. Deep lunge and back. 3, 2, 1. It's either that or it's that. So you're either doing this, squatting dog, or you're lunging back. Bicep, tricep, bicep, tricep. 10 seconds. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1. Up, starting. Everybody okay? Have a drink if you want one. Back. It's halfway. Have a drink. Have a drink. Have a drink. Okay, centre, left, centre, right, ooh, centre, boom. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Right, is everybody okay? Yep. Arms again. Wing, overlap the weights. Right arm, 20. Left arm, 20. Then 30 together, or if you really want to challenge, watch. Woo! Your choice. Okay. Don't have to have weights. 3, 2, get go. Ladies, 2, 1. Let's go. Out, control. Just stand at right angle, or you can go further if you want. Don't drop out, don't go to the side. Stay upright. Out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the side, ladies. Left. Out. Control it all the way up. Control it all the way down. You want to control the exercise. Not the other way. 10 seconds. Out. And in. Out. And in. 3, 2, let's go. Both together, or if you want it. Woohoo! Otherwise, it's control. If you're getting tired, put them down. Another one you can do. Squat, shoulder rest, stand. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, rest. twist, twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, both sides, girls, come on, boom, boom, boom. Come on ladies, looking lovely there, looking good. Come on, strong, strong. Don't forget, we've got aerobics after this. Push, push, come on, punch, punch, bang, bang. Come on, come on, keep going. 10 seconds, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, we're going to do hamstring curl on our right, hamstring curl on our left. So, remember, easier, it's just a leg lift. Harder, it's that little bounce. Minus 4, 3. Watch the equipment. 2, 4 engage. Let's go, girls. Woo! This floor is slippy. Through here. Everybody okay? Boom, reach. 3, 2, 1. Come on, harder. It's that little step. Easier, it's just a little leg lift. Well done, she's got weights in her hand. Woohoo! Well done. Extra bonus points. I can do the weights. 3, 2, easier, just here. Easier, harder. 2, I love you, my own mind. 10, 9, 3, 2, breathe. Have another drink if you want one, it's not against the law. Again. Shoulders back and down. Slight bend in my elbow. Good raise. Slowly up, slowly down. Just my right side, just my left side, and then if I can, go together again. Remember, harder, harder. Don't have to have the weights. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right side only, ladies. Breathe out and in. Breathe out. We're only coming up to right angles and there's a bend in my elbow. Don't lock your elbow out. Never lock the joint out. Breathe out, breathe in. Harder, stop. Harder, stop. 3, 2, just to the left. Breathe out and in. Harder. Medium. Easier. 3, 2, let's go. Want a challenge? Tight. Or just lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, good from here. Your rate is your rate. Down, 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 down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March. You're not giving in easy, are you? You're not going out without a fight. Lean forward. Yes. Right arm. Lean forward. Left arm. Hammer curl for both. Elbows are tucked in. Right leg. Left leg. Hammer curl. Weights down for easier. 3, 2, go. Let's go. So it's like a preacher curl, yeah? Tuck it in, control it all the way up, concentric, control it all the way down, eccentric. 3, 2, lean forward, elbow tucked in, come on, all the way up, all the way down, don't lock out. We never lock the joint, engage your core. 3, 2, 1, let's go, hammer curl. You can march if you want, you can squat. Hammer curl, hammer time. Well done for those who are squatting, lovely work. You're not going up without a fight, are you? 3, 2, 1. Stop back forward, I'll do that again. When you put them down, you get your feet. Okay. All the Go slow, you can go fast. Breathe out and in. Pull and engage, head up please. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Don't use weights, use weights. Hold there, to the jump. 20 seconds. 10 seconds and we're done. This is 20 past. And the end of the door. 3, 2, 1. Go. Woo! Watch your equipment. Wider. Squat and push. Squat and push. Onto your toes, girls. 1, hold it here. Okay, again, occasionally on the upper step, we're going to go a little bit deeper. Watch it on the slide. 3, 2, horrible out there, 1. Let's go girls, let's do both sides if we can. Woo! As far down as you can, you don't have to come down, you can stay standing. 3, 2, look, we come girls, let's have some lunges with your left leg. 3, 2, 1, let's push. Alright, knees to the floor and we're on our toe. We're leaning forward. We're stretching our hip flexors. Remain relaxed. Breathe in. Handle the muscle. Okay, you need a little bit of balance for the next one. I would prefer it if you didn't touch the wall. If you do touch the wall, hand sanitize before touching your face. 3, 2, 1. Heel, sock, jumper, underneath the foot. Knees together, put your standing leg. Same for the next stretch. You can do it on the floor, okay, but don't touch your face. 3, or you can hold the floor. 2, relax, glutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's tap back with our left, foot right. 3, 2, left leg, onto your knees, lean back. We're stretching our glutes. So remember, if you have touched the wall, please sanitize, we don't know. 3, requires a bit of balance. 2, heel, sock, towel, no towel, band, trouser leg, or jumper, or underneath your foot. You can't have towels at the moment, as you know. 3, 2, 1. Again, a little bit of balance needed. If you want to work harder, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, for the horrible stretch, go your hips, tension. You'll keep your slight bend in your knee down to where you feel a mild tension. Keep breathing in and out. Occasionally on the upper deck, go deeper. If you're not feeling it, come up to your kneecap, breathe in, and go back down. You will go further every time. A bit of PNF. Come on, ladies, we need to stretch long and long. If you're not feeling it, again, come up to your kneecap, go back down further. Look now, I'm touching the floor. You can stretch these for about 2 minutes if you want, we haven't got the time. 3, 2, 1, and curl slowly. Squat down, twist to your right, and to your centre. To your left, to your centre, in the air. 3, 2, and a really